Introducing Roof Guard Restoration. Roof restoration, painting and heat reflective coatings. Townsville, Queensland. This highly successful, long-established business in the vibrant city of Townsville represents a very solid investment with plenty of potential. Roof Guard Roof Restoration has been servicing the area for over 30 years and is a leading provider of roof painting, restoration and the application of heat reflective and decorative coatings. With a net profit of between $180,000 and $300,000, this easy-to-run business has even developed its own polyurethane paint, and the new owner would have exclusive use of this product. This business's secret to success is the ability to totally transform old or unattractive family residences and commercial premises, adding style and value. As well as cosmetic improvements, the Roof Guard product also helps customers reduce their electricity bills by up to 50%. Everything needed to successfully run this business is here, including the copyrighted logo, 1800 number, and comprehensive web and social platforms. 5 operational vehicles are also included, plus 2 late model utes, paint, water blasters, ladders and all other equipment. With a top reputation for outstanding results, there's enormous scope here to expand into the retail market, wholesale to hardware retailers, or even franchise this business. With fully trained contractors in place, this business has secured a unique and profitable niche within the roofing industry. Make the move today and reap the rewards of a long-established and successful business combined with a wonderful tropical lifestyle.